Hi all and welcome to my channel. I am Tirthalion, your YouTube psychic, and today I thought we'd do something a little different. I did order a new deck online, so I got that in today. And what I'm going to do today is we're going to open these cards, look at them, and see what we've got going on. So I was looking for something that I could do like past life readings, and or if I wanted to continue with my true crime readings, something that I could do with that and have like a connection to the dead. Now, if you remember correctly, I bought a tarot deck a while back that I was going to do that with, but it didn't really seem like it was something I wanted to use for that purpose, and that is because it was the zombie deck. And zombie deck, it's not really something that, I don't want to think of, my loved ones as dead and rotting and walking around. It's just not something that looked very. It seemed tasteless as far as to use those cards for um, for those who have passed. So what I did is I bought the Ghost Tarot. Um, so as you can see, it's still in the plastic. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we've got here. Hopefully this one sticks out to me more than the Zombie Tarot. And hopefully this one comes with a book. But we'll all find out together. So, give me just a moment and we're going to open these up and see what we got going on. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump in here. These are the cards I was talking about. They're real pretty and have some real good imagery, but it just didn't feel right when I was trying to read, for the dead. Not like anything negative, but it just didn't feel right. So hopefully this one feels better. Alright, so let's jump in here and see what we've got. Hopefully I can open this while I'm running. If not, I will pause and grab a knife and open it that way. Ugh. It seems like nowadays things need to come with opening instructions. Oh, and as far as with the COVID-19 and everything, these were rubbed down with Lysol and left sitting for 24 hours, so it should be okay to touch. Come on. I don't have anything on this table. Good Lord. Oh, here we go. Nope, just kidding. There. Alright. So. Alright. Oh, and look at that. They're wrapped in plastic too. Oh, but there's a book. That's good. Alright. So I'm a bit more happier now with these than I am these. This didn't come with the book. I'll show you. This one is just the cards. And I'm the one that likes to look at the pictures and look at what the artist and or the creator of the deck had in mind for each card, to make sure that it's something that if I like those, if I like their interpretation, or I want to make my own from what the card shows me. Okay, so let's start with the book. Please be in English. Yeah, they're in English. They don't have any pictures. That's fine. Um, my Lord of the Rings tarot book is set up the exact same way. So that's fine. We got other languages here. Alright, so that's good. Not bad. Alright. Random card. This top one probably is too. Yep. Alright. Now look at the back. These are pretty. I like the eye. And their use of color. Alright, so we'll look at a few cards and see what we think. Oh, this is the Fool. You can see his dog trying to warn him he's about to walk off the cliff. The Magician, hard at work at his table. The High Priestess. The Emperor. Oh, this is probably the High Priestess. This is the Emperor. Yeah. The High Priest. The Lovers. Ooh, Chariot. I like that one. Oh, Strength is gorgeous. The Hermit. The Wheel. Justice. The Hanged Man. Death. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. Cups. Two of Cups, balanced relationship, harmonious. Three of Cups is celebration. Oh, I like these. I do. I like these a lot. Aww. This is a nostalgia card. Oh, I like this. The Knight, the Queen, the King, Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Balance, Three of Pentacles, the Four, Five, Eight, 10, Family, the Page, the Knight, Queen, King, Wands. This one's usually, it's 4, 3, Success. 5, this is a battle. Oh, these are so pretty. I think I'm probably going to like these a lot better. I didn't check to see if they show the reverse in the book. That would be something to know, since I do tend to read reversals. No. Doesn't look like it. I guess after I get the hang of them, I can do the reverse on my own. What readings in the book. Take the deck, shuffle it, draw 5 cards, and arrange them according to the diagram on page 2. Allies and the future. Well, it's a cute reading. I mean, I could do this one. It's just in the shape of a cross. And what they mean is collective memories and those of your ancestors, the present and the challenges we are experiencing, the obstacle and the ghosts of the past. 4, the invisible allies. 5, the future, what probably awaits us. And it's set up in the diagram of a cross. So this is interesting. I have to go through and I'll clean the deck and then of course bond with it and or put it under my pillow and sleep with it under there for a day or two. I want to thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you're notified anytime that I post a video. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.